Okay, bachcho, so let's read this question. Which of the following forms a colloidal solution in water? A. NaCl, which is sodium chloride. B. Glucose. C. Starch. Or D. Barium nitrate. Now let us talk about the key concept of the question and discuss what is colloidal solution. Colloidal solution basically refers to a solution where the size of solute particles is considered to be intermediate between that of the true solution and suspension. Now let us discuss some properties of colloidal solution. All colloidal solution possess the following properties. तो अगर हम प्रॉपर्टीज की बात करें, हमारी पहली प्रॉपर्टी होती है of colloidal solution that they are heterogeneous in nature and consist of the two phases. जो हमारा colloidal solution होता है उसमें two phases होते हैं, एक dispersed phase and दूसरा dispersion medium. That is dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Now let us talk about the second property of colloidal solution. हमारी second property होती है that they are stable as their particles do not settle down. They are stable क्योंकि जो उनके particles होते हैं, जो suspended particles in the solution होते हैं, वो settle नहीं होते, so they are stable. So they are stable as their particles do not settle down. Suspended particles do not settle down and are in a state of motion. State of motion. Now let us talk about the third point. अगर हम third point की बात करें, third point हमारा property में होता है, they can be the colloidal solutions can be passed through ordinary filter paper. Colloidal solutions can pass through colloidal solution particles. जो उसके particles होते हैं colloidal solution के, they can pass through ordinary filter paper. क्योंकि वो इतने साइज में छोटे होते हैं, so the pore size of the ordinary filter paper is larger than the size of the colloidal particles, so they can pass through the ordinary filter paper. So उनके लिए एक special filter paper बनाया जाता है by dipping the filter paper in colloidal solution, and these are known as ultrafilter papers. So they cannot pass through them and can only be retained by ultrafilter papers. Ultrafilters. Now let us talk about the third point. अगर हम fourth property of the colloidal solution. जो the dispersed particles in a colloidal solution scatters the light, and thus that effect is known as Tyndall effect. The dispersed particles टिंडल इफेक्ट में हम जो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन पे एक बीम के पास कराते हैं, एंड द डिस्पर्स पार्टिकल्स, जो उसमें पार्टिकल्स डिस्पर्स होता है कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन में, दे स्कैटर द बीम ऑफ लाइट, एंड दिस phenomena is known as Tyndall effect. Scatter light. Thus, they exhibit Tyndall effect. Now let us see the options that are given to us. हमें पहला ऑप्शन दे रखा है which is NaCl, सोडियम क्लोराइड. अगर हम सोडियम क्लोराइड की बात करें, सोडियम क्लोराइड, sodium chloride in water acts as a true solution. It acts as a true solution and not as a colloidal solution. जिसके particle size होते हैं, it forms a homogeneous mixture, we can say. Now let us talk about the other substance. हमारे को दूसरा दे रखा है इसमें glucose. Now if we talk about glucose, ग्लूकोज जब हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, इट डज नॉट एग्जिबिट टिंडल इफेक्ट. तो एक प्रॉपर्टी इसमें कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन की नहीं होती, दैट इट डज नॉट एग्जिबिट टिंडल इफेक्ट. सो दिस इज नॉट अ colloidal solution as well. Colloidal solution. Now let us talk about the fourth point, which is starch. Now starch is a colloidal solution because it exhibits all of the properties which are discussed. Now starch in water exhibits all of the properties discussed. So it is a discussed. So it's a colloidal solution, or we can say collide. Now let us talk about the last property as well, just to clarify any doubts that you might have. तो बेरियम नाइट्रेट जो होता है, it also forms a true solution in water. So our barium nitrate also it acts as a true solution when dissolved in water. तो हमारा ये भी कोलाइड नहीं होगा because it acts as a true solution. तो हमारा option number C will be the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.